just me, Robin, and today I'm here to invite you to the Sophisticated Ladies Club first open invitation collaboration for the end of the summer, and it's called the End of the Summer White Tablescape 20 collaboration, again hosted by the Sophisticated Ladies Club. We're a new club of like-minded individuals who do DIYs, home decor, thrift shopping, couponing, budget spending for beautiful things. And this is our very first open invitation. And because of the coronavirus and the inability for us to gather together in friendship and fun, we decided that we would host an end of the summer white tablescape collaboration. Now, I know you guys have been to an all-white party. I know I've been to a couple of them, and they're so much fun. So in this invitation, what we are to do, and I'm going to read it off of my phone because I can't remember everything. Okay, so the invitation date is August the 8th, 2020 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's being hosted again by the Sophisticated Ladies Club, which includes Raquel or Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Simply Divine at 70 with Miss Marsha. Tammy Thompson TVMG with Tammy. Love My Babies Forever, Tamara. Levels of Style with Sandra. Saving with Mrs. V, Veronica. And then myself, It's Just Me, Robin. Now, what we are to do in this invitation, we create an all-white tablescape, not a wedding tablescape, but a fun party tablescape using the dominant color of white. Now you can add one pop of color, but the majority of it has to be white. So get out your white dishes, your white linens, and go to town. Okay, so you can set it up as a bar scene, a buffet, a table, an indoor table, indoor or outdoor, whatever. And then tell us your end of the summer plans due to the crisis. You can add a food or a drink if you like. Please try to keep your video under 5 to 6 minutes so everybody can move smoothly through the playlist. I know I don't do that very often, but please try. No DIYs in the video because we want to keep it short and sweet and entertaining. Make a separate video if you want to of your DIY so that you can share with your viewers and also get your watch time up. The title is End of Summer White Party 20. The hashtag End of Summer White Party Tablescape. End of party all the, okay, let's do it one more time. End of Summer All White Party 20. Again, End of Summer All White Party 20. Um, I will link all of that information in my description box, along with each of the Sophisticated Ladies channels, along with the End of Summer All White Party 20 playlist. Please go by and check out all of their channels. Please check out the playlist. Get lots of ideas for your next End of Summer All White Party or your next All White Party, period. And I think that's it. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm looking forward to it. I've been to a couple of all white parties, and it was so much fun to see all of the different outfits and the different styles for the tablescapes. And I actually did a little bit of research, and there's a couple of groups called Dinner Blanc, and they host them around the world. So if you look it up, and I'll put that in the description box also, Dinner on Blanc, and you'll see all of the different all-white parties that people have hosted around the world. So again, thank you guys for stopping by. If you like this kind of content, I would appreciate it if you would like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And then hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted to when I upload new videos. Also, go by the Sophisticated Ladies Club channel and check us out. We'll be hosting monthly collaborations with each of the hosts as the main host for the collaboration. This one is being hosted by Raquel, or Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So you guys take care, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.